to this, because I can tell you by looking at that leaderboard today, yeah, there's a lot of us here on this call, that maybe even over 350 of us on this call, that may be sitting here thinking, I didn't hit in any other category. I don't think I'm going to hit any of the top producers or top recruiter categories or a team category. This may be your way. So please make sure you take a look at that. Not only are you qualifying, Mr. Roebuck, for the new Groups Ruby Getaway, but every new group that you actually also would hit the minimum requirements for new groups open while you're doing this, you also receive bonuses for. So I think I'd make a game plan if I was you, right? And look at that new groups open that Kathy talked about, as well as this incentive, and say, hey, let me get busy and open that first group, get a bonus, get my name on a leaderboard, get that second group, get a bonus, get my name on the leaderboard, open that third group, get a bonus, get my name on that leaderboard. I mean, this is amazing, right? The opportunity that we have here.
It certainly is, and I can see this, Brad. I can see this as a great tool if you're building your list. And there's so many people who said, "Hey, I'll get started in legalshield in January," or "I'm looking to start a new business venture," or "I'm looking to earn more money," and you bring that person on your team, and just 2 months in, I would say that person opens 5 or 6 groups in the next 2 months, small groups, qualifying groups, and you have a brand new person who just joined your team in January, who ended up going on it. How great would that be?